The world of cryptocurrency can seem complex at first glance. Decentralized systems, blockchain technology, and new terminology can feel overwhelming. However, one of the most exciting aspects of this digital revolution is actually quite simple to grasp. Peer-to-peer trading, also known as P2P trading. In this essay, we will demystify P2P trading, breaking down its mechanics and exploring its benefits. We'll also examine potential risks and offer guidance on how to navigate the P2P landscape safely and confidently. Whether you're completely new to cryptocurrency or seeking a deeper understanding of P2P trading, this guide will provide you with the knowledge to participate in this exciting and evolving market. At its core, P2P trading is a direct exchange of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin between two individuals. Think of it as a digital marketplace where buyers and sellers connect without the need for a traditional intermediary like a bank or a centralized exchange. In essence, P2P trading returns financial control to the individual. This decentralized approach offers several advantages. It promotes financial inclusion by allowing anyone with an internet connection to participate. P2P trading also fosters greater transparency, as transactions occur directly between users, often with escrow services to enhance security. Engaging in P2P trading is more straightforward than you might think. It allows individuals to trade directly with one another without the need for a centralized exchange. Numerous platforms facilitate these transactions, each offering unique features and benefits to cater to different trading needs. The process generally follows these steps, ensuring a smooth and secure trading experience for both parties involved. First, choose a P2P exchange. This is a crucial step, as the platform you select will impact your overall trading experience. Begin by selecting a reputable P2P trading platform. Popular options include LocalBitcoins, which is known for its wide user base and ease of use, Paxful, which offers a variety of payment methods, and Binance P2P, which is integrated with the larger Binance ecosystem. Each platform has its unique features, so research and compare to find one that aligns with your needs. Look at user reviews, security features, and the range of cryptocurrencies supported. Next, create an account. Once you've chosen a platform, you'll need to create an account. This is usually a straightforward process. This typically involves providing basic information, such as your email address and a secure password. Make sure to use a strong password to protect your account. Some platforms may require additional verification steps to enhance security and comply with Know Your Customer (KYC) regulations. This might include uploading a photo ID or other documents. Then, browse offers or post your own. This is where you can see what other users are offering or create your own trade offer. With your account set up, you can browse existing offers from other users or create your own. Specify the details of your trade, including the type of cryptocurrency, payment method, and exchange rate. Offers typically specify the type of cryptocurrency being traded, the desired payment method, and the exchange rate. Make sure to review these details carefully before proceeding. When you find an offer that suits your requirements, you can initiate a trade request. This will notify the other party of your interest. The platform will then connect you with the other party to finalize the transaction details. Communication is key here to ensure both parties are on the same page. Securely completing the transaction is where an escrow service often comes into play. This adds an extra layer of security to the trade. The seller will transfer the agreed-upon amount of cryptocurrency to an escrow account managed by the platform. This ensures that the funds are held securely until the transaction is completed. Once you, as the buyer, have made the payment through the chosen method, you confirm the transaction. This step is crucial to move the process forward. The seller verifies the receipt of payment. This confirmation is necessary to release the cryptocurrency from escrow. Upon confirmation from both parties, the cryptocurrency is released from escrow to your digital wallet, completing the trade. This final step ensures that both parties have fulfilled their obligations, making the transaction secure and successful. The growing popularity of P2P trading stems from its numerous advantages. Global accessibility P2P platforms transcend geographical boundaries, connecting buyers and sellers worldwide. This opens up a world of trading opportunities, regardless of your location. Flexible payment options. Unlike traditional exchanges, which often limit payment methods, P2P platforms offer a wide array of options. Users can choose from bank transfers, credit, debit cards, mobile money, and even gift cards. Competitive pricing. The direct nature of P2P trading often results in more competitive pricing. Buyers can potentially find better deals compared to centralized exchanges, while sellers can set their own rates. Section 5. The global appeal of P2P exchanges. P2P exchanges have gained significant traction in regions with limited access to traditional financial services. In countries facing economic instability or strict capital controls, P2P trading provides a vital lifeline for individuals seeking to protect their wealth or engage in international commerce. Furthermore, P2P trading empowers individuals in developing nations to participate in the global cryptocurrency market, fostering financial inclusion and economic growth. Section 6. Understanding the risks of P2P trading. While P2P trading offers numerous benefits, it's crucial to be aware of potential risks. These risks can impact your financial health and trading experience significantly. First, counterparty risk. As with any peer-to-peer transaction, there's a risk of dealing with unreliable or fraudulent individuals. This can lead to loss of funds or other complications. It's essential to trade with caution and choose reputable platforms with robust security measures. Always do your research and read reviews before committing to a platform. Second, price volatility. Cryptocurrency prices are known for their volatility. Prices can swing dramatically in a short time, affecting your investments. It's essential to understand that the value of your holdings can fluctuate significantly, even within short periods. This unpredictability requires careful planning and risk management. And lastly, scams and fraud. Unfortunately, scammers and fraudsters are present in any market, including the P2P trading space. They often use sophisticated tactics to deceive traders. Be wary of offers that seem too good to be true or individuals pressuring you into rushing transactions. Always take your time to verify the legitimacy of any offer or individual. Section 7. Tips for safe and secure P2P transactions. To mitigate risks and ensure a secure trading experience, follow these essential tips. Peer-to-peer transactions can be convenient, but they also come with their own set of challenges and risks. First, research and choose reputable platforms. Opt for well-established P2P exchanges with a proven track record of security and user satisfaction. Look for platforms that have been around for a while and have positive feedback from the community. Read reviews and compare features to make an informed decision. User experiences can provide valuable insights into the reliability and security of the platform. Second, enable two-factor authentication or 2FA. Always enable 2FA on your P2P trading account and any associated wallets. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification. This extra layer of security helps prevent unauthorized access. It makes it significantly harder for hackers to gain control of your account. Third, start with small transactions. When trading on a new platform or with a new user, it's wise to start with small transactions to gauge their trustworthiness. This way, you can test the waters without risking a large amount of money. Gradually increase transaction sizes as you gain confidence. As you build trust, you can feel more secure in conducting larger trades. Fourth, verify user profiles. Most P2P platforms have user rating and review systems. These systems are there to help you make informed decisions about who to trade with. Take the time to check the reputation of the person you're trading with before initiating a transaction. Look for users with high ratings and positive reviews. And finally, use escrow services. Whenever possible, utilize the platform's escrow service to protect your funds during the transaction. Escrow services act as a middleman, holding the funds until both parties have met the agreed terms. This ensures that the cryptocurrency is held securely until both parties fulfill their obligations. By following these tips, you can trade more confidently and securely in the P2P marketplace. Section 8. Conclusion. Embracing the future of decentralized finance. P2P trading represents a paradigm shift in how we exchange value. By empowering individuals and fostering financial inclusion, P2P platforms are driving the adoption of cryptocurrencies worldwide. As with any emerging technology, it's essential to approach P2P trading with both enthusiasm and caution. By understanding the process, embracing best practices, and prioritizing security, you can confidently navigate the world of P2P trading and unlock the transformative potential of decentralized finance.